Want to share a YouTube video with specific people but not make it public? The key is using the unlisted privacy setting. This isn't the same as private. Unlisted videos can be viewed by anyone who has the link, but they won't appear in YouTube's search results, recommendations, or on your channel's public page. This gives you controlled sharing. It's perfect for sharing content with friends, family, or clients without making it available to the entire world. Remember, while anyone with the link can view it, they also can share it further, so it's not completely private. Sharing unlisted videos via link is straightforward and free. First, upload your video to YouTube Studio, either on the web or via the app. In the visibility settings, choose Unlisted. Add a title, description, and tags. These won't affect search visibility, but are good practice. Once uploaded, click Share to copy the video's URL. Now you can distribute the link via email, messaging apps like WhatsApp or Slack, or even embed it on websites. Keep in mind, viewers need to be signed into YouTube to view the video. Optional advanced features include password protection and link expiration in advanced settings. Best practices include watermarking videos or using analytics to track who views them.